Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a simple picture-in-picture effect in DaVinci Resolve, which is available in the studio as well as in the free edition. Let's get straight into it. So let's say for example that I have this clip here and I want to insert it as a picture-in-picture on top of this clip here. So what we're going to do is just go over to where we have our effects tab, and then we're going to do a search for picture-in-picture. But you're going to need to make sure you select, first of all, the Resolve FX, and then do picture-in-picture. If you don't select that, if you have one of the other nodes selected, for example, let's say video transitions, you're not going to find it. So make sure you have selected Resolve FX. I'm just going to drag that onto the clip. We want to do our picture-in-picture, which is this one here. And hey presto, we now have an instant picture-in-picture effect. Over on the right-hand side, let's just make this a bit bigger so we can see it. We can control a few things. For example, the rounding. We can make it square, or we can make it completely circular if you want. We can change the rotation to some wacky rotations. Not quite sure why you want to do that, but it's available if you do. You can change the opacity. Again, not quite sure why you'd make it invisible, but there you go. As well as having the default drop shadow effect, so you can play with that. Nice drop shadow, change the angle and all that sort of stuff, and your blur. So very nice little simple effect for inserting a picture-in-picture. And of course you might want to change the position, so you can click to where it says position up here. You can choose the width and the height, and you can change the position of the X and the Y coordinates by simply moving the position here. You can also zoom in the actual picture. So for example, if I don't want less of the background here, you can actually zoom as well as doing the pan and also tilt. Nice quick video for today's guys. Hope it's useful. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another DaVinci Resolve video.